Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th maths chapter linear equations, and this is part 7. So in this part, first of all we will learn about the method 2 to solve linear equation in two variables. So method 2. We'll start. The name of this method is elimination by equating coefficients method. So let us consider this system of linear equation first as 3x minus 4y is equal to 1, and second 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. So this will be considered as equation 1 and this will be considered as equation 2. So our step 1 is let us eliminate either x or y by making their coefficients equal in both the equations to make the coefficients of x equal. So it means that in both of these equations of any one variable we can take x or y, any one of them, and we have to make the coefficient equal. Means this is 4 and if we will take x, so 4 and 3x and 4x, we have to make the coefficient equal. So for that we have to multiply 3x, means whole term we have to multiply with 4 and this whole term we have to multiply with 3. So the answer will come 12x minus 16y is equal to 4. This will be equation 3, and in second equation it will, after multiplying 3, will get 12x minus 9y is equal to 18. This will be equation 4. So what we have done, we have made the coefficients of x equal. So as first of all, in first step we have made the coefficients of x equal. So in next step we have to decide whether we have to do subtraction or addition. Decide whether we have to add or subtract. In this equation we have to remove this x because first we have make the equations coefficient of x. Now for that, for removing this sign is plus and this is plus, this is minus, this is minus, this is 4 and this is 18. So for removing x we will do subtraction, and we know in subtraction this was the following, the down terms, the lower terms, the signs will get changed. This was plus, it will get minus. This was minus, it will get plus. This was 18, the sign of plus, it will get minus. So as it is, we'll do the minus plus and the coefficient and variable is same, so this will get cancelled. Remaining is minus 16y plus 9y. So by subtracting, the answer will come 7y minus 7y, and that will be equal to, this is 4 minus 18 minus 14 it will get. So minus 7y is equal to minus 14. By this we'll transpose minus 7. It will become y is equal to minus 14 by minus 7. Minus minus sign will get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Therefore we will get the value of y, that will be 2. I hope you've understood till this step. After that our next step will be, we have got the value of y, that is 2, so we will substitute them. So over here we will substitute the value of y in the first equation. In the first equation, so 3x minus 4y is equal to 1. 3x minus 4, we will put a bracket, and y, the value of y is 2 is equal to 1. 3x minus 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 1. We will transpose, so 3x is equal to 1 plus 8. 3x is equal to 9. After that x will be equal to, we will transpose 3, so x will be equal to 9 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Therefore the value of x we have got, that is 3. The value of x will be 3. I hope you have understood till this. After that, for cross checking, we'll put the value of x and y in the first equation. For cross checking our answers whether it is correct or not. So now we will put values. 3x minus 4y is equal to 1. The value of x is 3 minus 4y. Value of y is 2 is equal to 1. We will multiply 9. 3 into 3 will become 9 minus 4 into 2 will become 8 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is 1 is equal to 1. So our answer is equal, means in the cross checking method the LHS and RHS should always be equal. So after that our answer will be correct. So both sides are equal. So yes, our answer is correct. In that our value of y is 2 and x is 3. I hope you have understood this method and how to cross check it. Thank you for watching. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.